Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download Airasia flight ticket. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar type airasia.com. That's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. Once again, to the website, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to download Airasia flight ticket. So for you to get that done, then you're going to need to check the top corner of the screen where you have App Play Purchases, check in the flight status support and promotions. Go ahead and click on purchases, and that's going to take you right into the purchases window where you have all your orders organized in one page. So you're going to see all your orders here, So just go ahead and select the flight that you want to make changes on, or that the flight that you want to download the ticket for. So after clicking on the flight, here are the steps that you should take. So once you click on the flight, right next to the flight, right under status, you're going to find an option. So just click on that status, and you're going to see these extended options, which include view itinerary, change flight, cancel flight, manage add-ons, manage booking, and check-in. So go ahead and click on view itinerary just right next to your flight under status. So click on view itinerary. That's after clicking on this three dots menu, you're going to find next to status. Click on view itinerary, and after that, the next thing that you need to do is to download. So once you click on view itinerary, it's going to show your itinerary, and it's also going to show your receipt. And just right under the receipt, you're going to see this option that says download receipt. So go ahead and click on download receipt, and after downloading receipts, this is what it's going to show. So your itinerary is going to be downloaded, and this is what the PDF is going to look like. It's going to take you right into a preview of the itinerary, or the preview of the ticket. This is what it looks like. So after that, that's it. That's pretty much the process. Once that's been downloaded, you can now save it to your systems folder by clicking on this icon that is here just right next to this page. So click on this icon in here to save to your systems folder. That's pretty much how you can download Airasia flight tickets. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.